So today I'm going to take you to the past, as in time travel. Okay, not literally, but I'm going to show you how exactly you can see the past versions of any website in the world. So I will show you a tool and that you can use for free and see how your favorite website used to look like in past. You can use this website for doing competitor research or just to see how the websites now used to look like in past, just if you are curious out of it. But yeah, this is very helpful for marketers who want to understand the journey of their competitors or even their own products, how they are thinking, how their vision is going. So all those things, typical things. But yeah, you can use this tool for fun as well. So let's get into the screen. So it's quite easy. You just need to search for Wayback Machine, or you can simply bookmark this URL, the website, and you can always refer that. So first of all, let's see how Nike's website used to look like. So let me show you how it is looking right now. So this is how it looks. A video, win on air, shop air. Seems this is a new edition of shoes. Then there are some categories, shoes. So this is how the current website looks like. All right. So let's see how it used to look in past. So I will just paste the website, and this is how the complete history looks like. So you can see all the timeline, like the whole calendar is visible over here, and you can just select any of the year and the whole calendar is shown. For example, I just want to see 2019. By the way, these are the missing records. That means this website couldn't capture the screenshots of the website at that time, but this is mostly working for most of the websites, so that's not an issue, and it gets done automatically. So for most of the websites is easily readily available, but yeah, there are some cases where the data is missing. So let's say I want to visit 5th July and I will just select. So the website page has loaded, and this is how it used to look like in 2019. So see, the structure is very similar, but there are some changes. Again, 2 photos just like how it has right now, some images, some products. But yeah, like this is how it used to look like in 2019. Isn't it amazing to see how things used to work? For example, I noticed the menu used to be different, right? Like right now there is men, women, kids, sale, men, women, boys and girls. Like this has been removed now. So yeah, like this is how you get interesting things, how brands evolve with their websites or how brands change that. Now let's take another example, that is Apple. So let's go to the Apple website. So right now it's looking like this. Apple Intelligence, obviously they are focusing on the AI part right now. So but for tech products it generally happens that it keeps on changing a lot since they want to focus on the latest updates. So okay, WWDC 24. So we got a rough idea how exactly Apple website is now looking like, but let's see how it used to look like in maybe, okay, let's see how it is available. Okay, it's pretty good. It has good history. So let's go to 2014 and I will just pick a random date which is available. Okay, let's take it my birthday, 18 Feb 2014. Look at that. Now the website looks so good, but at the time this looks so simple, and in fact there is nothing else. Like these are just 4 things, one hero section, and that's it. That's the whole website. In fact, we can check if there was another URL. So let's go to iPad. Let's see this page, how it looked like 2014. This is how the page, and if you notice the pages are quite small, right? Like there is just one hero section, then 3 things over here, and that's it. That page used to just end, but now things are more interactive, beautifully designed. So that's Apple now. Pretty insane how they have evolved with time. So good to see that. In fact, we can even check for Facebook. For now, let's see how Facebook looks like. So very minimalist. I assume this should not have, like this is not changed from years and years. So there is just one sentence: Facebook helps you connect and share with the people in your life. I remember when I used to use Facebook in 2014 or 13, there used to be something like connecting people, or so, I remember that. Let's see how it used to look like. And by the way, this page is for if you have not logged in. So this is for creating a new account. How it used to look like in 2014. Like the form was a big form, lots of things they are asking. They are literally telling you to enter password, birthday, all the data is being taken, and here connect with friends and the world around you on Facebook. All 3 benefits are mentioned over here, and right now if we see, there is nothing, right? So let's try to go back in 2007, how it used to look like. 2007 this was so bad, like this was insanely bad. And but yeah, it's understandable that in 2007 even internet penetration was not happening in the world, and these were the very basic pages that used to happen on the internet. So interesting to see that. So yeah, that's all about this video, and I am very sure that you enjoyed seeing this tool in action. Just make sure that you try it out and let me know what your experience is like, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.